Hey guys, welcome to Techie Talks. In this playlist, we're going to have a bunch of videos on Quarkus. Let's get started. What is Quarkus? Quarkus is a Kubernetes native Java stack designed to make Java a leading platform in cloud native environments. It is a lightweight, fast, and effective Java stack that can be used to build cloud native applications that are easy to develop, deploy, and maintain. Quarkus applications are designed to be small, fast, and scalable, and they can run on variety of platforms including Kubernetes, OpenShift, and traditional Java application servers. Quarkus includes a number of features that are specific to cloud-native environments, such as support for containerization, service discovery, and reactive programming. It also integrates with popular Java libraries and frameworks such as Hibernate, Eclipse Microprofile, and Apache Camel, making it easy to build and deploy Java applications in the cloud. Quarkus applications start in a few milliseconds and use a fraction of memory of traditional Java applications. Quarkus supports live reload, which allows you to make code changes and see the results immediately without having to stop and restart the application. Quarkus integrates with popular Java libraries and frameworks such as Hibernate, Eclipse Microprofile, and Apache Camel, making it easy to build and deploy Java applications in the cloud. Quarkus supports GraalVM, which allows you to compile Java code ahead of time into a native executable, further reducing startup time and memory usage. Quarkus includes a number of features that are specific to cloud-native environments, such as support for Kubernetes, containerization, and service discovery. Quarkus supports reactive programming, which allows you to build applications that can scale horizontally and handle high level of concurrency. Quarkus has an extension system that allows you to easily add features to your application, such as database connectors, security providers, and more. These are all the prerequisites to start with Quarkus. We need an IDE. I'm using IntelliJ. If you wish, you can go for Eclipse. And we must have Maven, GraalVM, Docker installed in our machine. Okay, I'll make a video of like how to install Maven, GraalVM, and Docker. Don't worry about it. There are many ways we can create Quarkus project. I'm listing like 3 of those here, and one of that is Quarkus plugin. We can install Quarkus plugin in our IDE, and we can generate the project through the plugin. And we can use command line interface. We can generate the project through a command in the command line interface. And the third one is Quarkus project generator. Like we generate Spring projects using like spring.io, right? So that's like that we can generate Quarkus project in quarkus.io. In the next video, we'll install a plugin in the IntelliJ IDE and like try to generate a project using that.